is not giving up. So he shakes her all over, and he growls. She'll just growl right back at him. There she goes, pulling him. I don't think she's going anywhere. He shakes her everywhere. He's so gentle with it, though, even though he sounds like he's growling and everything. He doesn't pull her too hard. She's a handful. She does not give up. Okay, looky here. Looky here. Boo boo. Good boy. High five. Say, it's over.